What's going on, guys? It's Justin from Pushing Profit. Hope everyone's having a beautiful day today. Now, once in a blue moon, I make these videos where I talk about the top stocks for the upcoming week. I don't do this as often, but let me know if you guys want me to do this every Sunday or just like do this more often. So right now we're going to be talking about the top stocks for the week. We are in the end of June, approaching early July. So yeah, let's kind of talk about it a little bit more. So I recently just read an article saying that the stock market futures today are selling off. So I just kind of want to just show you guys what's going on real quick. And it's saying that's really just selling off just due to again with this whole pandemic, spikes in the um, people just getting ill. So we can see, the market did drop. However, it has been coming up. So this is touching this resistance right here, right? So let me kind of look at the 10-day view real quick. So if we could just continue breaking above this resistance line, then tomorrow, Monday, the 29th of June will, most likely be a green day. However, if we cannot break this resistance, then we most likely will head to a downtrend. And that will just be bad news for the overall stock market. We'll just have a big red day. Now again, on this channel I made a video clearly talking about how it doesn't matter if stocks go up, it doesn't matter if stocks go down. You could make a profit as a trader no matter which direction, and that is by either shorting a stock or by buying puts, right? Which is just like options, where you make money where the stock goes down, right? So we're going to be talking about three main stocks today. We're going to be talking about Facebook, Bank of America, and I believe Disney, right? Now, again, always manage your risk, but the first thing I want to talk about is like, we're on Disney right here, right? So let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour view and kind of just zoom in a little, or we'll just keep it like this. So you can see, obviously, the pandemic hit, Disney was falling down. Again, the whole overall stock market recovered, but it ended up selling off again, right? So now we're at this moment in time where we're approaching this support line, right? We're literally touching it. We're kissing it, right? Basically. Now you can see that, of course, Disney is below the 180-day SMA line, is below the 9-day EMA line. So that's just an indication that, we are on a downtrend still. It hasn't crossed over. So tomorrow, right, or just for the rest of the week, if we don't see a bounce above this red support line and see this cross over the EMA line or SMA line, then this is most likely going to continue going down. For this to go up, we would have to see that reversal of this going on an uptrend, right? However, with this going up, we're going to see some, it might stifle itself from going up with this resistance over here, right? You could clearly see that this area right here is a resistance. So most likely, if this cannot break above this area, or if it just breaks below this line, then we're going to be on a downtrend heading down still. So you could definitely, there's lots of opportunity with the stock market selling off. You could make money shorting if this stock, Disney, just keeps going down. And the next area or next major support that I found was really around here. So if it breaks below 108 and touches right here, 104, that's potentially a 3 or 4% gain. If you're trading stocks, if you're trading options, then of course, the gain will be much higher. So yeah, that's just Disney. Now again, we just really want to look out for what direction is going to go. Tomorrow will really be the deciding factor, and it'll really kind of just indicate what's going to happen for the rest of the week. Is this going to start coming back up, or is this going to bounce? We're testing it. This is a test, right? Same concept with BAC, Bank of I believe it's BAC, Bank of America, right? Literally the same exact story. Honestly, all these stocks are following the same trend, and I could zoom out, just to kind of show you guys. Again, with the pandemic, things were selling off. Things, slowly came back up. However, in the last few weeks, things have been selling off like crazy, right? We had major selling off days. I made a video about this this day, right? We broke below the 100 SMA line. We're below the 9-day EMA line. And again, we're touching this, key level of support. You can see it was resistance before, and now it is support. So same exact story with Disney. If this does not, bounce from here and start showing signs of an uptrend, then, this is just gonna either break this line and go lower. Now, if it breaks this level of support, I'm gonna kind of just look real quickly. The next major level of support could be around right here at $22. So, again, manage your risk, set your alerts. I have my alert over here to see if it breaks below this. So we'll see. If it breaks below, I'll take a short position. If it starts showing like a major bounce, I'll take a long position, and I'll go in, with the mindset of this going up. But for me to take a long position, this would have to like break above this 9-day EMA line. It would have to be at least above $23.42, right? If it cannot be above here, then I most likely will not enter in a long position, and most likely I'll enter in a short position. Hence why I have my alert for if it goes below $23.01. At the end of the day, no one could predict what the stock market is doing. It's really just your job to notice the trends, see which direction it's going, because the trend is your friend, and take advantage. If it goes down, start shorting. If it shows that signs of it coming up, then buy your long position and get in and out while it's riding up, right? Now we're gonna take a look at, I said Disney, I said Bank of America. The last one I want to talk about is Facebook. Now this one's a little different, right? Same concept as far as like what ended up happening. You can see that the pandemic hit, things sold off. Facebook recovered very nicely, actually made new highs for the year. However, in the last day, or actually last Friday, it sold off heavily. I mean, it went down like 9% in a day. So if anyone was holding this, then honestly, I feel really bad, because that is a lot in one day. 9%. That would break my heart, But here we are, right? We are literally kissing this line of support, and you could see that it used to be a resistance before. It used to be like a support in the past. You could see that over here. I'm trying to look for it real quick. It was resistance, resistance, resistance. So old resistance becomes new support. So if we cannot break, or if we cannot bounce above the support, then most likely we are going to head down. And if we do head down, I would say that the next possible support would be around this area, which is 204, which could possibly be another 4%, 3 to 4%. So again, manage your risk accordingly. However, if things just change overnight, or just in the next few days, and we see an uptrend, this could move up. But for me to really get into this reversal, I would have to see this really just pop above this 9-day EMA line, and right there, that's already showing signs of a resistance at $222. So if it can't break this area, then I'm not touching it in a long position. I'd much rather just make money on this going down. So at the end of the day, we'll see, right? So those are the three stocks that I'm looking forward to for the first week of July 2020. I know this was a little different. Most of the time, I always talk about stocks going on an uptrend where like this is most likely gonna bounce. However, for this week's picks, it's more on the opposite end, where I'm like, they're most likely gonna go down, but you could profit with these going down. This is the first time I really talk about making money with it shorting. But at the end of the day, like I said, you can make money when the stock market is going down. So with that being said, guys, if you guys really want me to continue doing these, every Sunday stock talks, then definitely hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want me to do more, what you guys want to see more of, so I could keep making more content. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And once again, my name is Justin from Push and Profit. Hope everyone's having a beautiful day, and I'm out. Peace.